Greetings, wonderful ladies and gorgeous women. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are delving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for fantastic ideas to rock a pixie cut or style your short hairs perfectly, then you have come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve that stunning head turning look. We all know that your hair plays a big part in defining your overall style and confidence. That's why I have put together a collection of captivating styling tips and ideas that you are going to love. With these techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair, making you feel empowered and beautiful. Just imagine it, the magic and allure of these fabulous pixie cuts will enhance your overall appearance, from subtle highlights to bold undertones. Get ready to be amazed as you witness the breathtaking difference between your hair's look before and after trying out these stunning styles. I apologize if you hear any background noise, please bear with me, and I promise it will not reduce the enjoyment of this video. Now let's get down to the business. I have a variety of short hair styling ideas lined up just for you. These hairstyles are not only trendy but also highly impactful. They are designed to suit your hair preferences, whether you prefer a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fantastic short haircut. I assure you, ladies, that you will fall head over heels in love with these remarkable ideas. Let's discuss the incredible charm of grayish, whitish, and blackish colors. Can you imagine how stunning your hair will look with these shades? The combination of black and grey creates a sophisticated and timeless appeal that is simply adorable and fantastic. These are the best of the best hairstyling ideas tailored exclusively for you. Don't worry if English is not your first language. I apologize if my English is not perfect. But passion is a universal language that transcends words. So let's focus on the incredible and gorgeous looks I am about to show you. To give you a taste of what's in store, I have carefully selected some stunning visuals of women flaunting various short hairstyles. From modern to elegant, you will find the perfect inspiration to express your unique style. So get ready to unleash your inner fashionista and let your short hair steal the spotlight wherever you may go. But wait, there is more. This video is not just about styling ideas, it is about transforming your entire look. My channel is a treasure trove of valuable content dedicated to helping you achieve your dream hairstyle. From detailed step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance, I have got you covered every step of the way. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell so that you never miss out on the latest videos. Trust me, ladies, you do not want to be missed out on upcoming masterpieces. As we approach the end of this video, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for watching. Your support means the world to me and it motivates me to keep creating content that empowers and inspires. Remember that you are beautiful and with the perfect hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. Thank you so much for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. So go ahead, confidently rock those gorgeous short hairstyles and radiate your inner beauty. Until next time, keep supporting those fabulous short haircuts and stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And once again, thank you so much for gracing us. And until we meet again, take care and keep shining brightly. See you in the next video.